What's poppin'? It's your boy Cahden, Alpha Nerd, and today's topic is gonna be, if you chase her, she will replace you, bro. So we gonna be a little bit off the cuff with this one, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I had a few consultation calls or whatever with a couple guys, and a lot of what I'm seeing wrong with guys who dealing with women or trying to reattract a woman or any of that stuff is like, you still subtly chasing her, bro. You still chasing her, bro. And you don't realize you chasing her because you think you're applying these techniques, bro. But we finna talk on that, bro. Make sure y'all like or whatever. Comment, subscribe to the video, bro, if you think this stuff giving you value, etc., etc. But let's get straight to it anyway. Like, bro, you still chasing her because you feel as if you want this fucking outcome. And we talked about this already. Like, you want this outcome. You want the outcome of her coming back to you in some way, shape, and capacity. But you accepting any way that shows up, bro. Even if she show up and she's showing you, bro. She's showing you. A lot of the times these women be out here showing y'all what it is they want, or what it is they have, or what it is that they feel towards you, and you just don't want to listen. You too caught up in your own ways in order to listen to what the fuck she telling you, bro, or what she showing you, bro. You want to know something about female nature, bro? You could say a lot of things about female nature. You could say they hypergamous. You could say, like, a lot of them vindictive. You could say a lot of things about female nature, but female nature show itself to people who understand the red pill, bro. It shows itself. All right. So when you say you understand women, when you learning this stuff, you learn that, yo, man, like, this female really don't give no fuck about me. Because when a female actually care about you, bro, she hit you up. She reach out to you. She make it easier for you, bro. When a female like you, the door's open, bro. When a female don't like you, the door's closed, bro. That's what happened. When she like you, the door's open. When she see you as a high value male, as an alpha male, the door's open, bro. Things get easier for you. When she see you as a beta male, when she ain't really into you that much, when she ain't feeling you that much, bro, the door's closed, bro. And a lot of y'all don't want to accept that simple truth. It's really that simple, bro. It's really that simple. But a lot of y'all like, hey, man, you know, I got this girl back or whatever. She hit me up or whatever after no contact. Or, you know what I mean? I reached out to her and she came through and blah, blah, blah. Okay, she might have. She might have, bro. But then look at how long it take her to hit you back when you go missing, bro. Guess what? Women who care about dudes, bro, it's not going to take them that long to hit you back. It's not going to take them super long to hit you back. Woman go 3-4 weeks without hitting you back, bro. She for the streets. Like, she's for these streets, bro. Date other women, bro. You want to know why? Because while you waiting on her, during those 3 to 4 weeks, bro, when you waiting on her, she ain't waiting on you, bro. She out with some other dude. Out with some dude who she think alpha. And then when she get a little bit lonely, that's when she hitting you back up after those 3-4 weeks. So you really just playing second position, bro, in her life. You think these women just out here with one dude? No, they got 3 and 4 dudes just like we do. We got 3 and 4 females. Us alpha males anyway. They out here with more than one dude too. She ain't just focused on you, bro. A woman that's just focused on you don't take 3 weeks to hit you back. A woman that's focused on you, if you disappear on her for 2 weeks, if you don't hear her up for 2 weeks, you gonna hear from her, bro. A woman that's focused on you, you want to know what? She ain't hitting you back because she ain't focused on you. But you know what? You need to focus on yourself, bro. That's what a lot of y'all problems is. Y'all don't focus on yourselves, bro. Do you want to know, when you focus on yourself as a man, when you build yourself up to be a high value man, you teach other people to do the same thing, bro. When you focused on yourself, you start to act in a way that make you demand of these women that they focus on you too. It's like, hey, I focus on myself. So either you gonna focus on me, or you could get lost. You know what I mean? Because that's my main focus, myself. I'm trying to build myself up. So when you come through, you got to understand that my value is up here and not downhill like all them other beta males that you mess with, bro. You got to understand that my value up here, bro, not downhill. That's what you essentially telling her with your actions, with your words, with your feelings, with all of that good stuff. You tell her that when you focused on you, when you work your ass off to make yourself better. You won't accept less, bro. You won't accept a woman going 3 weeks, a month, and you still focused on her, and you still caring about what she doing. You ain't dating other women. You ain't like, man, whatever. You know what I mean? You ain't forgetting about like whatever, forget about it. Because if a woman go 3 weeks with me without hitting me up, guess what? She out. She gone. I'm not worried about her. Now, if she decide to hit me up after a month or two, cool, I might have her come through. She might come through and get it. But that's going to be it. I'm not instantly finna be picking up the phone on her. I'm not instantly finna be investing in her again. No, you got to earn that. Everything with these women is earned. You want to know why I have that mindset of everything with these women that they get from me is earned, bro? The reason I have that mindset is because I have to fight to earn everything I have. So I'm not going to fight to earn all the things that I have, only to turn around and give it to you for free? For nothing? So you could devalue it? After I worked so hard to get these things, after I worked so hard to get this alpha mentality, I did all the studying. After I worked so hard to earn this income, after I worked so hard to get this income to buy this car, I go to the gym to work on my body, and I just give it to you without earning it? You could just pick up the phone whenever you want to. 7 weeks later, 5 weeks, 3 weeks later, whatever. You pick up the phone whenever you want to, and I just do whatever you ask? No. You're gonna earn everything you get from me. And that's what some of you dudes can't grasp. Y'all can't get that, bro. She'll never see you as an alpha male. She will never see you as the prize, as something to chase, as something to be submissive to, as something that she truly loves, bro. She'll never see you as that. If you can't grasp this, bro. You want to know why? Because you are not a scarce commodity, bro. You not a scarce commodity. You ain't something she feel like, if I don't fight for this, I ain't gonna be able to keep it. No, she feel like I could go off and do whatever 304 stuff I want to go do over here, over there, etc., etc. I could do all that, and then I come back and call you at the end of the day because I know you want me in that way. I know you still see me as girlfriend material, or you still see me as wifey material. So I'm gonna go be a 304 for as long as I need to be, till I get it out of my system, and then I'm gonna come back to you. Because I see you as a beta male provider. Because I see you as somebody who see me as wife material. You ain't going to judge me for all the 304 stuff because you just happy to have me. That's what she see in you, bro. Here go the downside to that. If she see you like that and you do manage to get her, bro, the minute she see something alpha, the minute she get an alpha male, the dude she see as the alpha, the minute she see something she want to go back into her 304 tendencies, or she gonna run back over there and she gonna do that because she knows she can always come back to you no matter what, because she don't have to earn anything with you, bro, because you not focused on yourself. You focused on her. You focused on the things she need. You focused on why she ain't calling you, or why she ain't hit you back after no contact. You focused on what she doing over there, who she with, whether she dating another dude. It don't matter, bro. It don't matter. If you got 5 girls in rotation, 4 girls like me in rotation, then you don't care, bro. When one off, you got the other one rotating in. When you don't want to deal with, when you don't want to talk to or deal with one, you can talk to or deal with another one. Or even better, when you busy and you don't want to deal with none of them, you don't have to. And guess what? As soon as you want to again, all of them come flocking back. Because you in abundance. You ain't in scarcity. You could take her or leave her, bro. If she choose, she don't want to come back. Whatever. It's 3 more who want to take your place. Because I'm working on myself to make myself the best I can become, bro. Not only that, bro, I'm taking the necessary steps, bro. Because a lot of people tell you work on yourself. Oh, okay. Working on yourself ain't just going to get you what you want, bro. Out of this dating shit. It ain't. That ain't the only thing. Next, you got to take the necessary actions, bro. You got to stop only looking at all this stuff. No, you got to apply it, bro. You got to apply what you learn, bro. Whether that be cold approaching a woman, whether that be hitting, like getting on the dating sites, hitting them in their DMs, you got to create. You have to create that, bro. You have to be the one who creates your options, bro. Alpha males do that the best, bro. And when you got options, that's when everything fall in line. That's when everything fall in line for you, bro. As far as dating go. Women sense that shit, bro. They know when you got options. And they naturally competitive. So they want to win. So they come back and they put their best foot forward. Now they earning it, bro. But that being said, I'm going to end the video right there. It's your boy, Cahden, Alpha Nerd. If I helped you, bro, if you feel inspired, if you feel motivated, whatever, feel free to like, feel free to comment, feel free to subscribe, bro. It will really help if you do that. We strong over here, bro. Alpha Nerd. Anyway, that being said, it's your boy, Cahden, Alpha Nerd. I'm out of here, man.